Ethereum just bounced back just like that. You gotta love crypto. Well, here we go again, man. Welcome back to the channel. And my name is David Hughes Jr. If you do not know me, I am a guy who simply believes that you have to focus on your mind, your body, and your money. So in today's video, we will be talking about Ethereum. Now, Ethereum was down probably about 6 or so percent. A lot of people decided to buy in. I can tell because the price is now going all the way back up. Now, Ethereum hit some highs yesterday and then it hit, you know what I'm saying, a low. And then not an all-time low by any means, but it's still, they hit a low. So now the question is it too late? Did I miss the dip? Did I miss the opportunity to buy in? And the answer to that question, in my personal opinion, when it comes to crypto, from me just learning what I've learned in a little amount of time that I've been investing in cryptocurrency, is the answer is no. If you can invest now, invest now. The strategy that I am using, the strategy is basically dollar cost average, because crypto goes up down so much, man. It's crazy. You just have to sit back and enjoy the wave, because you're going to be on a wild roller coaster. Crypto is not for anybody who cannot handle that up and down roller coaster. So Bitcoin was down a little bit. I bought some of that. Ethereum was down a little bit. I bought some more of that. And I don't have a lot of money in crypto at all. Okay. I'm a beginner, you know, but at the same time, I'm starting to go just build my portfolio just a little bit. I still have more than 70% of my assets in brokerage account, like traditional brokerage accounts like 401ks and Roth IRAs and different things like that. I still have most of my money in that. I'm not going to be putting more than around 5 to 10% of my money in cryptocurrency, just because it is so volatile. But at the same time, you still need to put a foot in the game. You don't have to throw your whole body inside of cryptocurrency, okay? You just put a little bit, you know what I'm saying, enjoy it. At the same time, be a part of what is going on. You don't want to miss out when everything start happening, and then you'll be like me a year later, which I should have started investing in crypto last year. I just started this year. I should have been investing in crypto. You don't be like me and be like, well, I missed the boat. You don't want to miss the boat, okay? So, you want to make sure you on the boat when everything starts to sail. Smooth sailing is upon us. You know what I'm saying? In Ethereum, I personally will be investing more into Ethereum as the time comes and I see the opportunities open up. I will be investing more. But like I said, I still won't be, because I try to invest around $500 a month into the stock market, into different things. So I'll only be taking around 5 to 10% of that $500 and putting it in the crypto, and then the rest of it to go to all of the index funds and stuff that I'm already in. I think that's the best way to handle your crypto investing. Now, you could go all the way balls to the wall if you want. Just go all the way in, put all of your money in crypto, and just sit there and have rough nights of sleep. I'm not trying to do that. I want most of my money in the places where I know that it will be safe to go. And then I want to not miss out on the places that are a little bit more risky, but you know, sometimes you gotta take chances to get the best opportunities available. You know what I'm saying? And I'm learning more and more about crypto every single day, and I am enjoying what I am learning. Is very, very interesting, man. So if you're watching this video and you're just trying to decide, should you invest in crypto? Why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not? That's the question. Why not? I mean, you could say what I used to say, well, it's not secure enough. That's why you only put about 5 to 10%. And the way that it is now in 2021, things are getting more and more secure. There are different measures you can take to make sure that your crypto is safe, buying the proper equipment and stuff like that. I'll make videos on that. The more I learn, the more I will talk about it, and more videos and things I will give you guys, man. But Ethereum, I do predict, you know, since this is just going off of what I've learned in the past couple of weeks, I think Ethereum would easily hit a 5K, you know what I'm saying, by the end of the year, an easy 5K, especially with all the exposure that is going on. And then in the future, man, probably like 2021. So I give it like 5-8 years, man, we could be looking at a 10K price, you know what I'm saying? So That's just what I believe based on how it's trending right now. Everybody's putting their money in Bitcoin, but the middle child, man, I feel like Ethereum's like that middle child. You got to still watch that middle child because they will surprise you, sneak up on you, and do things that you did not expect. I think Ethereum will reach those types of prices. So let me know what you guys think about Ethereum down below in the comment section, man. We're going to get deep into this cryptocurrency and into other finance things, into other, you know what I'm saying, motivational things. I still like to post my motivational motivational words and encouragement and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Look, continue to grind, continue to shine. I will see you in the next video.